Hello everyone. Thank you for showing such a great support to our all videos. Now, in our this Maths Magic series, you know that we are doing multiplication episodes. So now we will do general multiplication. You can take any numbers and you can multiply by this method very quickly. Okay, so let's start. In the beginning, we will multiply two-digit number with two-digit number. We'll take a very simple example, say 12 into 30. Now see what is the method. First you try to understand the method. We will do vertical multiplication, we will do cross multiplication, and again we will do vertical multiplication. See now, so what will happen? 1 into 1 is 1. Okay. Now we will cross multiply and add. So 1 into 3 is 3. 1 into 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Okay. And again vertical. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6. And you get the answer. Let us see some more examples. Now we are going to multiply 15 with 92. So method will remain same. First we will do vertical multiplication. So 1 into 9 is 9. Okay. Now we will do cross multiplication. What we get is this is 1 into 2 is 2 and 5 into 9 is 45. So 45 plus 2 is 47. We will put this in bracket and 5 2s are 10. Now see, every time in each bracket we should have one digit only. So what we will do, we will write down 0, 1 is carry over. So this will become 48. So we will write down 8, 4 is carry forward. So 9 plus 4 is 1, 3, and see if this is the final answer that we get. I hope it is clear. Now let us take this example, same method, 7 8s are, we first do the vertical multiplication. So 7 8s are 56. Okay, so we'll write down in brackets. Now 7 2s are 14, 8 3s are 24. 24 and 14 are 38. We will write down 38 like this. And 3 2s are 6. So here we have only single digit, so 6 will remain as it is. Now we have two digits, so we will write down 8 and 3 is carried over. So 56 plus 3 is equal to 59 and you get the final answer. Okay. Now let us learn multiplication of a 3-digit number with a 3-digit number. Okay. So as we have done in 2-digit number, but this is advanced. So what we will do, first vertical multiplication, then cross multiplication of 2 digits. Now here again cross multiplication of 2 digits and vertical of middle one. Okay. Then again cross multiplication of last 2 and vertical of last single digit. Okay. So 1 into 4 is equal to 4. Okay. Now we will cross multiply these two columns. So 5 ones are 5 and 4 twos are 8. 8 plus 5 is equal to 30. But we will write down in bracket. Okay. Now we will take these three, all the numbers. Okay. So cross multiply. 1 into 2 is 2. 2 into 5 is 10. And 4 into 3 is equal to 12. So when we add all the numbers, see, this is 2 plus 10 is 12. 12 plus 12 is 24. And we will write down 24 here. Okay. Now we will multiply these two columns. So 2 2s are 4, 5 3s are 15, 4 plus 15 is 19. And lastly 3 2s are 6. Okay. So let us write down the final answer, 6, 9 as it is. 1 is carried forward. So 24 plus 1 is 25. We write down 5 only. 2 is carried forward. So 13 plus 2 is 15. We will write down 5. 1 is carried forward and 4 plus 1 is equal to 5. And this is your final answer. Now we will take another example. Now beauty of this sums is that you can get the answer in single line only. Okay. So again same method is followed. You have to do multiplications like this. So first vertical, 2 into 5 it is equal to 10. We put in the bracket. Now let us cross multiply. So this is 2 ones are 2, 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So we write down 17. Now let us multiply. 4 2s are 8. 3 ones are 3. 8 plus 3 is 11. And 6 5s are 30. So the total 30 plus 11 is 41. Now last two columns. 4 3s are 12 and 6 ones are 6. So 12 plus 6 is equal to 18. We write down 18 here and 6 4s are 24. Now let us write down final answer. So this is equal to 4, 2 carry over. So 18 plus 2 is 20. So we write down 0, 2 carry forward. 41 plus 2 is 43. We write down 3. We take 4 carry forward. 17 plus 4 is 21. We write down 1 here. 2 is carry forward. So 10 plus 2 is equal to 12. And this is our final answer 121304. Now, in this example, I have taken a one 3-digit number and one 2-digit number. The method will remain same. Only what we'll do, we'll write down here 0. Okay, so let us do the same method. 1 into 0 is 0. Now let us cross multiply. So this is 1 into 8 is 8. 2 into 0 is 0. 8 plus 0 is 8. So we'll write down 8 here. Okay. Now all the 3 columns we have to consider. So 1 into 4 is 4. 2 into 8 is 16, 16 plus 4 20 and 0 into 3 is 0. So we write down 20 here. Okay. Now last 2 columns. 4 2s are 8 and 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 8 is 32. So we write down 32 here. And the last one is 4 3s are 12. So we write down 12 here. And let us write down the final answer with carry forwards. So 2. 1 is carry forward, so this becomes 33. Again we write down 3. 3 is carry forward, so 20 plus 3 is 23. We write down 3 here. 2 is carry forward, so 8 plus 2 is equal to 10, and we need not write down this 0. So final answer is 10332. I hope it is clear. So now we have learned all types of multiplications. Further you can learn, you can do practice and you can learn more. But now I hope this is going to help you in your exam. It is going to save your time. So hope for the best, and we'll continue our maths episodes like this only.